Hey everyone, Elaine here. Today I'm sharing minced pork with egg. I named it Quick One Pot. Let's use magic to transform the humble ingredients, minced pork and egg, into something super delicious and special. It is budget friendly because we use super easy and humble ingredients. You may also develop your version by changing the pork into chicken, beef, or even seafood. So let's begin. First, mince the garlic and ginger. They can provide the aromatic foundation. Then chop the green onions. Reserve the white parts for cooking with the meat and the green parts for garnish. This dual use maximizes flavor and presentation. Next, prepare the sauce. Combine water, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, white pepper powder, cornstarch, and sesame oil and mix thoroughly. In a non-stick pan, add around 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and fry the minced pork until crispy and golden brown. I will recommend serving with other vegetables like blanched vegetables or a light soup because of its high protein content. If your minced pork contains a higher ratio of fat, it will release some extra oil. Scoop the extra oil out and only leave around 1 tablespoon of oil. I love the texture of the dish the most. The crispy, savory, and aromatic minced pork pairs well. It may take around 3 to 5 minutes. Then add garlic, ginger, and white part of green onion. Fry for a while until you can smell the strong aroma from them. Crack 2 or 3 eggs in the center. Pour the sauce along the edges of the pan and cover with the lid. Let it simmer for around 2 minutes. During this time, you can use a spatula to gently flip the eggs to prevent the bottom from sticking to the pan. My way of serving is on top of steamed rice directly, as I love to mix the rice with the sauce. It has several features that I love the most. Firstly, crispy minced pork, soft-boiled egg, and lastly, a savory sauce. Every bite is so comforting. Minced meat with egg is a dish that perfectly embodies the philosophy of home cooking. Simple, satisfying, and utterly delicious. Do you like it? See you next time. Bye!